Bitcoin price continued to increase today, February 28, 2024, shooting above $63,000 for the first time since November 2021. With a record high in clear sight, the market has been even more motivated to see that level retested. This week, Bitcoin has soared nearly 20% after a week-long pause. It's now up more than 40% growth for 2024 alone. Why is this important to an average investor? Because being on the forefront on this news can help you make educated money decisions that could grow your income. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are returning, you are greatly appreciated. Let's start from the beginning. What is Bitcoin, and why is it important for you to understand changes that are taking place as someone that wants to grow your money? Bitcoin, BTC, is the first cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology, also known as a decentralized digital currency that is based on cryptography. Unlike government-issued or fiat currencies such as US dollars or euro, which are controlled by the country's central bank, Bitcoin can operate without the need of a central authority, like a central bank or a company. The decentralized nature allows it to operate on a peer-to-peer network, whereby users are able to send funds to each other without going through intermediaries. Now that we are done with definitions, let's talk money growth. Money. Bitcoin became very popular in 2017 to the common investor, although it is believed to have been first created in 2009 by a mysterious person by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. Investors are expecting Bitcoin to set a new record this year after the launch of ETFs. Very briefly, an ETF is exchange-traded funds. If you are familiar with retirement funds offered for 401k, it is something similar, but in this case it is for Bitcoin, which is a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin ETF's approval made the asset class more accessible to institutional investors. Let's call them the big companies like Fidelity, Vanguard, etc. Now an average American can buy a fraction of the Bitcoin from the trusted companies that offer retirement programs such as 401k and Roth. The beauty of the ETF is that an average American with zero cryptocurrency knowledge can now invest. Bitcoin demand is colliding with increasingly tight supply. What does this mean to you? There is a real good chance of multiplying your money in the future. Given the approaching Bitcoin halving in April, issuance will fall by half. There is simply not enough Bitcoin to accommodate all the new demand, and so natural supply-demand dynamics will drive the prices higher, thus benefiting you. The halving, an event mandated in the Bitcoin code, reduces the Bitcoin mining reward by half in order to limit the supply. Halvings reduce the rate at which new coins are created and thus lower the available amount of new supply. The next halving is expected to take place in April of 2024. Should you invest in Bitcoin? That is truly your personal decision, but there is continued evidence that this might be a good way to diversify your investment portfolio. Here are some things to consider. 1. Use common sense and never let the fear of missing out influence your decision to invest. Avoid promises of easy money, guaranteed returns, or anything that sounds too good to be true. 2. Do your research and treat this just like any other investment. Researching a crypto investment involves different metrics from the stock market. These often include assessing real-world adoption potential, reviewing technical specifications, studying the founders and developers, scanning community engagement, and evaluating competitors. 4. If you decide to invest in crypto, stick to the common ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum. If you have been following the news, you know that many crypto tokens have come and gone over the years. Don't be a greedy investor. 5. Stay up to date with news on the crypto you decide to invest in. 6. Stay disciplined and don't involve your emotions when making major discussion on whether to buy or sell any investment, let alone crypto. Look at the facts every time. In summary, we are expecting to see a growth in Bitcoin in 2024 as already predicted on the percentage growth so far this year. An investor that decides to buy cryptocurrency should think about it as a long-term investment. I personally would say buy it and just monitor the big price adjustment. Don't be concerned with small daily dips or highs because that would be a source of panic. How much should you invest? Experts believe 5% or less could be a good start, but at the end of the day, it is a personal decision. In addition, don't put money that you need soon, and also put money you are willing to part with if things don't go as predicated. Have a high risk tolerance because the world of crypto can be volatile. Other parting words. Purchase for Bitcoin has been made easier by the ETF approval this year, making accessibility to purchasing Bitcoin much easier. Should you put your life saving in Bitcoin? Absolutely not. If you found this information helpful, please support my channel by subscribing, commenting, and if you can, share this video with someone that can benefit. Don't forget to live abundantly. See you in the next video.